This video will demonstrate how you can find results you are looking for by applying drop-down filters, sliders, and sorting methods in the top creatives section. Let's first look at individual filter and sort method to gain an understanding of what each one does. Platform filter allows you to find ads that are running on specific type of platform on their web landing page, such as e-commerce platform like Shopify, mobile app platforms such as Google Play Store, etc. This filter allows you to easily segregate specific types of campaigns, such as e-commerce or mobile app campaigns. There are a few platform filters that require special mention. First one is all mobile apps, which combines all the ads leading to Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Second one is all e-commerce, which combines a number of e-commerce platforms together to give you all the ads that lead to some type of e-commerce store. Last one is search ads arbitrage filter. This filter shows ads that lead to a special landing page that show ads from Google search feed and prompt the users to click on one of the ads to achieve profit via arbitrage. Geo-filter allows you to select ads by target country. Language filter allows you to find ads with specific language in the creative text. CTA stands for call to action. It is the text used on the buttons to drive the customer to act. Most popular CTA texts are listed in this drop-down. It allows you to find creatives for specific verticals. For example, Order Now CTA is used for various e-commerce campaigns, Download Now for mobile apps, etc. OS filter allows you to find ads targeted towards specific mobile operating systems such as Android or iOS. If the ad is targeted for specific age groups, you will be able to find it using the age filter. Similarly, if the ad is targeted towards users with specific interests, you will be able to find those ads using interest filter. Now let's look at each available sorting method and what it means. Longest running. This sorting method will show the creatives with longest running duration in descending order. Highest engagement. Engagement is the ratio of likes to total views or impressions. This sorting method shows the creatives with highest user engagement on the top. Most likes. As the name suggests, the creatives with highest number of likes are shown on the top. Most views. Creatives with highest views and impressions are displayed on the top in descending order. Most popular. Popularity is defined as a sum of views, shares, bookmarks, and comments. This sort order shows all the ads that received maximum user interaction on the top. Date first seen, ascending. This sorting method shows the creatives in ascending order by the date it was first seen by our platform. Date first seen, descending. This sorting method shows the creatives in descending order by the date it was first seen by our platform. Date last seen, ascending. This sorting method shows the creatives in ascending order by the date it was last seen by our platform. Date last seen, descending. This sorting method shows the stores in descending order by the date it was last seen by our platform. Finally, let's understand the various available sliders. Days running slider. It is basically duration filter that allows you narrow down your search by choosing a minimum and maximum value of days that ads have been running for. Total likes slider. It allows you to view and filter ads that have total likes within a specific range defined by this filter. Total popularity slider. Total popularity is a sum of likes, shares, bookmarks, comments for each ad. It is basically all the user interactions combined, which is a measure of audience interest in the particular ad, and hence the name popularity. Like rate slider, This is a normalized measurement of total likes. The number of total likes increases with number of ad impressions or number of views. Like rate takes the ratio of total likes to total views. This gives you a more meaningful parameter on how quickly or rapidly likes were generated by the ad and allow you to compare various ads irrespective of the total number of impressions and views. Higher the like rate, higher audience interest. Let's put these filters to action. Say I want to find all the top e-commerce campaigns from Vietnam and Malaysia. I will first apply All E-commerce filter from the platform Dropdown. Next, I will select Malaysia from the Geo filter dropdown. I will again use the Geo filter dropdown to select Vietnam. Please note that when you select any filter, you will see a check mark against the filter to indicate that the particular filter is already in use. In addition, you will see all the applied filters in this area. Each filter has its own individual label, and you can disable a filter by clicking on the X button. For this particular example, we will also use the popularity slider to find ads that have popularity of 1,000 or more. Finally, we will apply a sorting method to view the ads with most views or impressions. There you have it. The results here show you all the e-commerce ads from Malaysia and Vietnam with a popularity parameter of 1,000 or higher, which are ordered by highest number of views or impressions. I hope this video demonstrated the utility and application of various available filters in the top creative section of Anstrex In-Stream product. I will see you in another video. Until then, cheers!